Sisters in Fire is a hands-on learning experience for girls from the 7th to the 12th grade to come and really explore what it means to be a female wildland firefighter. They're learning how to put out wildfires, how to cut down trees, and what it's like to be within the world of wildland firefighting.
It's really an empowerment event to inspire young women. We bring girls out to go through various stations, saws, dozers, engines, fire culture, which is really leadership.
An event like this, especially in the state of Texas, is extremely important so that we can really showcase what this career is and get girls excited and interested in learning more about it.
One thing I think is pretty universal between all of us, we had no idea that anything like this was available, and introducing it to a younger generation earlier hopefully will inspire some of them to take up that sort of career path.
My favorite part of the Sisters in Fire event is really getting to watch our agency personnel interact with the girls. These girls are excited to be here. They have lots of questions, and I love getting to listen to them answer those questions like, what's your favorite part of your job? And what do you like about being a wildland firefighter? It's really a cool opportunity to watch our agency employees get excited about what they do every day through the lens of somebody else.
There was one unique moment that I'm gonna remember for a really long time where, you know, a girl went from, I don't really know if I wanna do this, and if you could see the smile on her face, if you could see that pure joy and pleasure of not only like, I'm not scared to do this, like I know I can do this. Like that to me, that's priceless. There's nothing, if that only happened to one girl throughout the whole day, this whole thing would be worth it.